This tiny silkworm creates one of the world's most luxurious fabrics. But have you ever wondered how? Today, we're taking you inside the complete journey, from a simple mulberry leaf to beautiful silk fabric. Let's begin.
The next basket right here.
How many more do we have left?
The sorting algorithm is showing a 98% accuracy rate right now.
Good, keep monitoring the output flow. Calibration looks good on the tablet.
Agreed. The quality sensors are reporting 0 defects on the
Finish on this batch is exceptional. See how it catches the light.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
And technology come together to create one of the world's most beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.